Yeah, it's Thursday, 6th of July, here in my little building. New front tires came in from a John Deere Z225. Got them mounted. Used a couple shams, one on each side, to more center it without getting it tight, so that's good. Strongway tire machine for lawnmower tires. Got it bolted to my table. First one came off fairly easy. This second one fought me the entire way. I get one bead broke, but the other bead would not break, period. So I ended up bringing it over here to my hydraulic press, using some 2x4s and some of my tire spoons. Finally got it to break, and I can see where the rubber has become one with the rim. So more than likely that tire's never been off that rim. That's why it didn't break easy. But it's off. My new ones are on a truck somewhere. They'll get here sooner or later. Like I said before, I keep one rear that does not have the leak or sidewall cut. I put it in the barn for a spare just in case. It'll probably sit there 20 years. And I've got one good tire and rim for the front. I'll do the same thing. On the front tires, I put in one measured cup of tire eject in each one, just as a preventative measure. You read the instructions, they actually suggest that. I'll put in probably 2 cups per rear, maybe 3. They're pretty good size. And again, if you get a thorn puncture, it'll seal it. You'll never even know it. But yeah, the Strongway tire changing tool, it does work. Like I said on the other video, I brought in 5 16-inch tire spoons because they were a deal. It's a good thing I needed 3 just today. So if I only brought in 2, it wouldn't have been enough. But yeah, that worked me pretty hard, believe it or not. On this rear overhead door, down there at the bottom left behind the lawnmower, you might see an air gap. The floor there has got a hump in the middle. I sealed the gap on the right side as you're looking at it, which is where the leak kept puddling because I don't have a drain there. But now I have a gap on the left side. I have an idea. I just have to get an $11 piece of garage door seal, and the rest of the stuff I already have. Probably do that tomorrow maybe. Seat came in from a Harley lowrider, Dyna lowrider. This is the second one. The first one was the wrong seat, so the second one is here. I might swing by and get a small tub of tire soap at one of the parts stores. You got your big 10-pound tub. I want to say it comes in a 1-pound tub too. That blue stuff is Dawn liquid detergent mixed with water. It's one of those condiment bottles I like so much. One on the floor with bar and chain oil. I used it when I was drilling the holes in the table. Used my mag drill for that, and then finished up with a hand drill with a 1/2-inch bit. Mag drill only goes up to 3/8. But she's bolted on tight, and if it's in my way, all I have to do is unbolt it and move it and set it on a shelf, and I got my full table again. I don't want to rigid mount it to the floor on a pedestal. I don't want to chew up the floor space. What little I'm going to need it, the corner of that table is going to be just fine. What else? That's about it for today. Bagged up all my trash so I can get it out of here. And don't seem like it, but it was a productive day. All hot and sweaty and tired. Turned the AC on, but I had the doors open most of the day working on that overhead door seal. Anyway, that's about all for this one. Thank you.